Iyaqonga incindezi njengoba kunabafundi abangaphezulu kwekhulu nama-50 eningizimu yeGoli abebelokhu bengenazo izitulo zokuhlala selokhu kuqale unyaka.
I've got 2 kids, 2 learners in the Gilview High, one in grade 8 and one in grade 9. The children were not placed from January this year. The department promised to place them temporarily in 2 schools, which happened, but then after the lockdown, they promised to build a school for the children, which did not happen.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthi iseyinkinga indaba yezikhala zabafundi kule ndawo kanti zikhona izaba ezenziwayo ukuze kutholelwe abafundi izikhala.
In Johannesburg South, we have a capacity challenge. We then decided that we're going to build a new high school. The name of that school is Gilview High School. So these learners will ultimately be allocated at that school. That's the new school, which will be in construction next year, 2021. But interimly, we then place the learners at Sir John Adams.
This has been going on for the last 7 months now. My child is in grade 9. In March, the Department of Education allocated them a space at the Hill High School where they placed the grade 9s in the tuck shop, and the grade 10s, they allocated them 2 movable classes, while the grade 8s were hosted at Sir John Adamson in the hall.
Umnyango uzohlangana nabamele izikole kanye nemikhandle lawula izikole namhlanje ukuze kuzosheshiswa uhlelo lokuthi abafundi bakwazi ukubuyela emagunjini okufundela.